Hello friends, welcome to Excel Stream. Today we are going to learn about logical functions, its basics and how we are going to use it. Okay, so in Excel there are three types of logical functions, which is AND, OR and NOT. There is one more logical function with the name XOR. We will learn later about it. Now let's focus on these logical functions first. First one is AND. Basically what these functions do, ये करते क्या हैं? So it checks your arguments, multiple arguments, and return their relevant value. In this case, in case of AND, it check your argument and return when your all the conditions are true, else it return false. Okay, so let's, for example, here we have three values and we are gonna check it whether these are matching our criteria or not. Okay, first let's understand with our first logical function AND. So I say check this value is equal to 1, check this value is equal to 2, and check this value is equal to pass. Please do remember to put double quotes whenever you are passing text value in a function. See, it has returned true. Why? Because all your conditions which you passed over here are true. This value is equal to 1, this is equal to 2, this is equal to pass. If you change any one of this value, for example, I put 2 over here, it will return false, because what this function do? It will check all your arguments and return true, in which case when your all conditions are true, else it will return false. So in this case, the first one is giving you a negative value, wrong value. This is false value, so it gives you a false. When all your conditions are matched, this will give true value. Okay, now next function is OR functions. So it also checks the arguments and return true when any one or more condition are true in your function, else it will return false. So what is the major difference between these two functions? First one returns true when all your conditions are true, and this function returns true when your any one value or all the conditions are true. Okay, let's understand with an example. So or, right, check this equals to 1, check this equals to 2, check this equals to pass. Okay, now see the difference. If this is 2, okay, I put 2, it will still return true. Why? Because these two conditions are true. Because these two still, if you check, these two still returns true value. Okay, even if I will do it 1 over here, it will still return true. But the moment all these three conditions, these three parameters return false, I will put whatever over here, it will give false. Why? Because now all the three condition returns false value. Okay, you understand it? So or returns false in that case only when all your conditions are false, else it will keep on giving true value. Okay, next one is not. Okay, one more thing, these and or functions, you can check two values, three values, four conditions, five condition. You can check n number of conditions over here. Same for true, but in not condition you can check only one condition. So in which case we use not. So what this function do? This function checks the arguments and returns exactly opposite of the value. So I said, for example, not this equals to 1, right? It will normally it will give me the true value, but not function gives you exactly opposite of it. It will give false. Okay, if you put 2, it will give you true. Okay, so it will give the exact opposite of the true because I'm checking here is J11 equal to 1 means this value is equal to 1. No, right? But it will give me true. So it will return the exact opposite of the value. Okay. Now understand with these example. Now you must be saying, are you mad? What we are going to do with these true and false value, right? आप लोग कह रहे होंगे ना कि इसका ट्रू एंड फॉल्स का मैं क्या करूंगा, राइट? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद एन एग्जांपल and you will understand where it will be really helpful for us. Okay, so here are the store of, for example, here is the database. Okay, okay, these are the customers: Royal, Ishay, Sompong, Rohan, Bhairav, Fayad, Junaid, Rohit. So this store is running an offer which is the customer is eligible for 10% discount if the customer is new, means first time purchase, he is doing a first time purchase, he or she doing a first time purchase, and their cart value is more than 5,000. So this store is giving 10% off on these conditions. Now, so over here, you need to check whether this customer is new, and you will also need to check whether this customer cart value is more than 5,000. ओके, सो आपको क्या करना है, आपको ये दोनों वैल्यू चेक करनी है, और ये जब दोनों ट्रू होंगी then this customer is eligible for discount, right? When both these conditions are met, then only this customer is eligible for discount. Okay, so which function we use? And, because we need to match this, both these conditions should return true, then only this customer is eligible for discount. Okay, so and if this equals to new and his cart value is more than 5,000. Okay, so in this case it will return true. Why? Because this is new customer and cart value is more than 5,000. In this case, because this is a new customer but his cart value is less than 5,000. Okay, so it will give you a false. Okay, and so on. So existing, it will not eligible for discount, so it return false. Over here, false, false. Okay, and you can calculate the final payout, which is if this equals to true, then this into 1 minus 10% else exactly same. Okay, because false, so these two getting billed for same value. This is eligible for return, so 10% has been waived off from his final payout. Okay, so guys, this is one the example in which we use the AND function. तो हमने इसके अंदर क्या यूज किया, हमने AND function यूज करके फाइंड आउट किया है कि ये कंडीशंस मैच कर रही है नहीं कर रही है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने इसका पे आउट बनाया है. So, guys, if you like this video, if you please do share with your friends so that they can also learn about it. अगर आपको पसंद आ रही है वीडियो तो प्लीज do share with your on your Facebook page or on YouTube channel. Okay. Next example is store 2. So in what this store is offering, this store is offering the customer is eligible for discount if he or she is a new customer, or or the cart value is more than 7,000. So what is the basic difference between two? This store is offering the discount only when a customer is new and the cart value is more than 5,000. But this store offer is the customer is new or the cart value is 7,000. Okay, so because we need any either one of the condition is true, हमें कोई भी एक condition match करवानी है तो हम use करेंगे, we will use over here or functionality. Okay, this is new this must be greater than 7,000. So see, it is true. Why this is true? Because this customer is new. Okay, it is still giving you a true value. Why? Because though this is not a new customer, but the cart value of this customer is more than 7,000. So it is eligible for refund. And we can use the same formula. We can copy it and paste. Okay. Since this guy got 10% off, so 900 deducted from his final payout, and his final payout is 8,100. So guys, hope you like this video. It has enhanced some of your knowledge. Please, guys, if you like this video, share with your friends, like this page, and do share with your friends. And if you need the sample data of this file, please leave your email ID in the comment box of this video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.